Greetings of the day, class 3. Hope all of you have a good understanding of the previous chapter, My Family. Today I will explain lesson 2 same to you. Now, in this video, we are going to study about the concept of twins, hereditary features, problems faced by elderly members of our family, and how do they overcome it. This chapter is about a boy, Ashu, and his friend, Baneet. With the help of them, you will be able to understand the above said terms clearly. Ashu's Bua gave birth to twins. Now, twins are two babies born to a mother at the same time. But Ashu's Bua said that they are identical twins. Students, there are two types of twins, identical twins and fraternal twins. We will discuss them one by one. Identical twins are two babies born to a mother at the same time and look exactly the same, be it in terms of physical appearance or height or habit, etc. Whereas fraternal twins are those who do not look exactly the same. Here I want to explain that identical twins are the ones who are of same gender. That means they will be either boy or either girl. Children, members of a family often look alike. For example, many of you must have heard that whenever your relatives comes to see you, they generally say that you look like your father or you look like your mother or the way you walk is similar to your grandfather, etc. This means we inherit many qualities or features from our parents or family members. They are known as hereditary features. Children, we all love our grandparents a lot. They always pamper us with their unconditional love, but in return, what do you offer them? You offer them love and care because they too need us. Students, with passing age, our grandparents started having problems in their body, like their eyesight becomes weak, their sense of sight and hearing gets weak, their memory gets weak, and with time their teeth also fell off. Similarly, in this chapter, with time, Ashu's grandmother has difficulty in seeing, so she uses spectacles to view things clearly. She also lost her teeth, so the dentist has asked her to get an artificial set of teeth. She is not able to listen clearly. That is why Ashu's father has bought a hearing aid for her. Now, what is a hearing aid? Children, a hearing aid is a small instrument worn in or behind the ear. It helps a person to hear clearly by making the sound louder. Ashu's friend Baneet's grandfather also has pain in his knees, so he walks with the help of a stick. Baneet takes him to the park, and on his way his grandfather also tells him many interesting things which he shares with his friend Ashu. On the basis of above video, students, you have a home assignment which you are supposed to complete. Question 1 is who are identical twins, and question number 2 is find out what are the problems faced by your grandparents when they grow old. With this, I am ending first part of chapter 2 same to same. I'll be back with its concluding part. Till then, be at home and stay safe. Thank you.